Julios, we're at the lake. It's windy. It's raining. There's cars everywhere. There's one right there. There's Jack. There's my dad. We're at this lake. We're chilling. We're trying to catch some fish with some minnows. They're on bobbers, which are right there.
I'm gonna try and cast out there.
Jack's gonna try and cast out there. Okay. There's a huge swarm of gnats right here, but a few minutes ago we saw a big fish jump out of the water. That was pretty intense, right? So, I'm gonna pause this video. We're gonna get back to you if we get any luck or any bites. Alright guys, I just got a fish on the minnow. I don't know how big it is. My bobber just disappeared.
It's not even a fish. Oh yeah, it is.
Yep, we got one. What do we got here?
Nice bass.
We got a bass!
Get out of the way! Get out of the way! There he is, guys.
Green.
My first.
Nice.
Here, take a picture of it. There's a little picture of a camera. Alright,
Good
guys.
fish. Good
First
fish.
bass of the season for me.
Good fish.
Let's put him back and see if we can catch some more today. Adios, little bugger.
Don't throw it. Actually release it.
Adios, little buddy. There he goes. Up, he's coming back. What are you doing? Alright, there he goes.
Hey, bud.
That was the first bass of the season for me.
Good fish.
Let's see if we can get on some more, guys.
Why don't you go get the other bait?
Set the hook!
Alright, guys, I got another fish. Oh, no. I lost him.
Wait, did you?
Yeah, it was gone. Did you see it? The bobber wasn't there. I almost had two in a row, guys. Alright. I'm gonna get... Alright, yeah, do that. Alright, guys, we got another one.
Shh.
We got another one. We got another one. This one's bigger than the last one, guys. This one's bigger. Grab it, Jack, quick. Good pickerel. Pickerel. Same one as yesterday. Yep, big pickerel, guys.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Big pickerel.
Bass and a pickerel, how do you feel?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Good boy.
Alright, let's see. This is a nice one. That's pretty big, actually. I think that's my PB. Here, let me grab your pliers for you. Can you get it? Guys, those are bald eagles right there. This is so far our greatest video ever. 2 fish and 2 bald eagles caught on camera, guys. They're coming towards us. Here they come. Bald eagles. Those are big ones, guys. The camera doesn't do it justice out here. Those are big bald eagles. This is America. We got bald eagles and we got big fish.
Look here.
Yeah!
Look at your hat.
Ball.
Yeah, leave my hut. We live in America, guys. We got eagles. We have eagles, okay? What other country has eagles? Besides Egypt, they have a different kind of eagle, but these eagles are better. Alright. We'll see if Jack catches a fish now. It's his turn. Get back to you soon. Alright, boys. Jack's got one.
Nope. Came off again.
Oh, came right off. Alright.
Gotta be a pickle.
Let's watch that bobber. Try to cast it back out again.
There it goes.
Get farther.
No, he's taking it.
He's taking it.
Let's see. Alright, guys. We were just watching it and it was way out there and it just kind of ripped it. And then we're trying to get it right now. So we'll see if Jack can get this one in the bag. It might be too shallow right there. What do you think?
Fish really wants it. It'll come back and eat it.
Hey, check if there's still a fish on there. If there's still a shiner.
Just move your pole over and leave it that way.
Yeah, we still got one. Cast it out far. Alright, we're going to cast this out far. We're going to see if we can get that fish to come back. I think it was a bass. Oh, that was amazing. That was a perfect cast.
How did that go so far?
I don't know. It was really good. All right. Okay. So, let's watch this bobber very intently. Yeah, he is. Huh.
That pole can really cast in.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, guys.
This is the biggest fish in my life.
Jack got a fish.
Oh my god.
Jack caught a really big. All right, guys. Jack caught a really big fish right now. I'm gonna land it for him. Let's see what we got. It's a bass. It's a bass. We got a bass, guys. We got a nice little bass. Look at that one, guys. Another bass. This one's for Jack. That's a great fish. Look at him.
Bang, bang. That's how we do.
Look at that bass, guys. It's a nice little one.
You're welcome.
Yep. Thank you, Dad.
I was the one that said it was.
All right, here. Come here. Put it up.
Let
me see it.
Messing around. I said you got a bite. So, once again, that's 3 for me, 0 for you guys.
All right. Let's get him back in the water. See if we can get one more before we leave. Where's he going? There he is. He's going away. He's out there. All right. Nice one, Jack. Let's see if we can get one. Let's see if we can get one more before we have to go.
Bang! Oh, there goes the shiner.
Cast it off his fish. All right. I'll get back to you when he puts the fish back on, and we're gonna cast out one more time. See if we can catch one more bass before we leave. It's pretty good so far, right?
That thing actually fought too.
Yeah, that was a good fish.
You're welcome.
Too bad it wasn't the biggest fish of your life, though. But that's okay.
Good thing Dad keeps an eye on the bobber, otherwise you wouldn't have gotten any fish.
It's true.
Word to the G phone. G.
Dad's got a fish. He's coming up.
Oh, look at ours.
It's getting bait. All right, we're both getting bites, guys, over here. Both getting bites. Dad's sticking his back in there. He just had a bite. Getting bites on this. Dad, it's gone.
Dad, it's gone.
Dad, it's gone. Go, go, go. Set the hook now. Go. Dad's got a fish, guys. All right. Go, 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 go. Come on, reel. You still have it. He's still on. He's still on. Yep, definitely. He's still on. Get it. Go on the other side. I think he's on there. Yeah, he's on there. There's a fish. What do we have, guys?
Pickerel.
Oh, there's a mini baby pickerel. Yeah, look at him. There's another one.
That might be Kodar. Here, hold this.
Get that pickerel out of there.
Barely hooked.
Barely hooked, you guys.
Oh, look at the gill. We gotta put him back.
Put him back, quick, quick, quick.
Our bobber's gone.
Get him, quick, get him, quick. No.
Bobber's right there. It's gone. It's gone.
Get it, quick, 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 quick.
Set it.
Take it, quick, Jack, quick. Oh, it's off, leave it, watch. Why is that?
Good guy.
All right, let's see.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Jack is moving. Bobber's moving.
Oh, no.
What happened?
Grab him quick.
Oh, you dropped your fish. All right, guys, there's another one. Jack's got one this time. I think it's a bass.
I don't know, but it's a good fish.
Yep, there's a fish. That's a fish. Here, I'll land it. Here, Dad, hold this camera. Hold this camera.
No fish
Just
on.
like that.
Oh. Little tiny bass. Oh, it's the same fish.
Oh, it's a little pickerel again.
I swear, it's the same fish. I got it.
Oh,
Hold it.
there's another fish for today. What's
Yeah,
that?
that'll count as yours.
What's that, like 6 fish for today, Jack? So like,
I caught 2. I caught 2. Dad's got 1. 5. Nice.
There he goes.
Give me 5.
I'm gonna cast
Ew! What is that?
Slime?
It's every pickerel.
Ew, there's pickerel poop on me.
Yeah, definitely.
That's poop. That's not slime, that's poop. It's pickerel poop on my pants. I have pickerel poop.
Watch out.
I have pickerel poop pants.
Oh, that's nice.
That's juicy!
Gotta reset your hood. That's a nice spot, though.
This video is 10 minutes long. We got like 8 fish in it.
Good.
So
These guys are already leaving.
this is gonna be our favorite video. What are they doing? Coming right over?
Like random clickbait, like he caught what?
Like, how many fish did we catch?
Guys,
Yeah?
I think you should try over there.
No. No way.
Yeah.
They didn't catch anything. They didn't catch anything. The guy before them didn't catch anything. I'm not moving. We just caught like 8 fish. I don't think so. Yes, it is. That's where we caught both of those pickerel. Do you think that was the same one?
No.
Just like his brother or something.
Right there, too. See that other side, that over there?
Bobber's gone. No, it's not.
Right there.
Dad, your bobbers are gone.
No, they're not.
No, they're not. I see him.
Probably one a man, Dad.
There's another one. Oh, it just came off. There's another one for Dad. He had another one on. Get it right back out there. Let's see. That's like number 7, guys, or number 6, 7. I think it's 7, right, Jack? That's like 7. That fish.
I caught 2, you caught 2, Dad's caught 1.
So that would have been number 6. If we caught. That's perfect cast. Jack's getting out. Oh, you flicked the fish off. Come on, reel it in. The time of this video, it's pretty long, but it's a good one. So if you're still around, maybe give it 2 more minutes. I think we're gonna get something good. There's another one for Jack. This is bigger. This one's bigger.
This is a fight.
Oh yeah.
I love this.
All right, here he comes.
This is fishing.
There's the bobbers.
This is fishing.
Here he comes. This one's bigger.
Oh, man.
What do you think, a bass? Yeah, I know. This is awesome.
Oh,
What is
I
it?
think it's a bass.
Is it a bass?
It looks like a
Bass, 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 bass.
Is it?
Pickerel.
Pickerel.
This one's big. That's a big
That's
one.
a nice one.
That's a nice pickerel.
Nice one.
Look at the size of that thing. Look at that pickerel.
Keep an eye on those bobbers too.
I'm watching them. Guys, this is what I mean when I say when we make videos in the summer, they're going to be so much better. Like, look at this video. We already caught like 8 fish. Here, toss them back, toss them back, toss them back.
Get this release.
I got it. There he goes. That was great.
Right there.
Yeah, he's chilling. All right, I think we're going to get 1 more fish in this video, and then it's going to be sayonara until next time. But I think we're going to get 1 more. Okay, so I'm falling in the water. I think we're going to sign off for now.
Look out for a part 2.
Yes, exactly. Look out for a part 2 of this, guys.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.
Also, I'm going to try to be making a website, so I might post a link to that on the Instagram. But for now, we're signing out. This has been BJ Bass Fishing. There's Jack. There's me. There's my dad. There's a crow. Peace out till next time.